Welcome to the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Traverse LT True North. The Traverse is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle, we have power windows, locks, and mirrors, automatic headlights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with 40 colors, warning cruise control and audio controls. We have 53 kilometers on the vehicle, brand new. We have push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. We have dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, super large wireless charging pad. We have the all black interior to the Traverse LT as well, Bose audio, and then our leather heated seating up front of the Traverse. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the LT True North Traverse, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. A nice simple 6-spoke alloy wheel with the Continental all-season tires. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry, Traverse on the front door, color matched mirror caps with a camera system. Coming down to the front, LED daytime running lamps as well as fog lights. The vehicle does have the chrome front grille, golden bow tie, and the front camera system. Making our way down the side, rear tinted privacy windows and remote start equipped. Towards the back of the Traverse, dual chrome exhaust tips, power tailgate, trailer tow package, rear parking sensors, as well as our LED brake lights. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Traverse, second row captain's chairs, both are car seat ready as well. We do have the quick fold down option giving us access to the third row, a leather 60/40 split. Both end seats there are car seat ready, USB ports in the rear for your third row passengers. Over top, a massive blacked out headliner with LED lighting and AC and heating vents. Dual panel sunroof system for front and rear, as well as your rear climate control, USB ports, and auxiliary ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Traverse. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.